Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Sorose Beauty 5-in-1 Multi-Styler Pro. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. Currently, they cost $100 from $334, so they are on 70% sale, which is very big. So as you can see, they're a 5-in-1 styler, so you can iron your hair, make it curly, and flatten your hair, and a lot more. So since they are 5-in-1, this tool is very versatile. So if you're wondering if it is actually legit, somebody posted here on Reddit, has anyone tried Sorose 5-in-1 Hairstyler Pro? A lot of people are saying that it is bad, that it is a scam. However, some people are also happy with it and staying away from it. So a lot of people are also saying that it is actually a good price and turned out to be a good buy. On Trustpilot, they have 30 positive and 2 negative reviews. So it only depends on how you use the product itself. So before buying this product, I advise you to do some research before actually buying it, since it may be not gonna since it may not work for you. And yeah, that is basically it. This product is a hit or miss. It is not entirely a scam. However, it might not work for you, and it might work for you, just like for some other people. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.